Hi guys, welcome back to my channel A Happier Me. Today I will be taking you in my patio and transforming it into a vibrant spring and summer oasis. I'll be using some key elements to create a space that's filled with color, comfort, and of course a touch of that springtime charm. So grab your favorite iced tea, pull up a seat, and let's get started. First things first, we need some beautiful planters. These jute woven baskets are all the rage right now, and I grabbed some from Home Depot. They add a natural earthy texture to your patio and complement any color scheme. I got 4 of these and they are in 2 different sizes. The beauty of these baskets is their versatility. You can use them for a variety of plants from floral or tall ferns. So here's a tip. If you're using your basket for real flowers, consider adding a plastic liner underneath if it doesn't come with it. Mine comes with it so that it can protect the natural fibers of the jute from the moisture. Alright, now let's talk flowers. Spring and summer are all about vibrant colors, so don't be afraid to get creative. Here I got a bunch of different florals annuals from Home Depot, and I have bought most of these for my pots and some I got for my yard space. So think about how you can incorporate a mix of textures and heights. You don't have to buy very expensive ones, just bring different types of plants, different type of colorful flowers, and make sure that you have adequate sunlight if you are planting it in pots and containers. And don't forget to put some manure in them, organic one, as well as water them regularly. I do have sprinkler system in my yard, so all my grass and the plants get water from the sprinkler, but for my containers and pot I have to water them. This plant is a great mosquito repellent and I use it by my chair, and now so it has a nice fragrance and it repels the mosquitoes as well. This is one of my favorite pots. It has a nice boho look, and I'm just going to add some new flowers that I got to add some color to this corner of my patio. So I have these from Home Depot. They are about $2 each, and they just made this whole container super vibrant and cute. What do you guys think? Please write in the comment below if you have any gardening tips. Planting is very relaxing. Gardening in general just brings you closer to the nature, and I love the smell of soil. And when I'm working through uh, planting different plants in my pots, it's just very relaxing to my mind, and I absolutely love this process. I don't have a big green thumb, but I try to take care of my plants wherever I can by watering them adequately, trimming any dried leaves that is there. Mint is a great container plant that you can have it even if you don't have a yard space, and it's good to use it in different dishes. It grows really fast. Another great tip is to have some hanging baskets. So over here in the front of my house I have these 2 jute woven hanging baskets, and I have some succulents in it, and I absolutely love it. Here are some of my favorite spring and summer flowering plants. I have petunias, I also have these geraniums and hydrangeas. Next is decorating with pillows. So, no patio is complete without comfy seating, and what's the better way to add a touch of floral flair than with some gorgeous floral pillows? So, here I have picked some from the home goods, and I think it cuts the grayness of the patio seating and adds the vibrance that I was looking for. But don't be afraid to mix and match different floral patterns with another pattern. Like, for example, here I have these jute pillows because it kind of matches with these two circular swings that I have, and I wanted to create a little bit of brown boho look as well. So as you can see throughout the video, I have been planting different plants in my pots, and I have washed my patio thoroughly and cleaned it. I time to time use my blower to clean up any dried leaves, dust from the patio, but once a month I would just wash it, and especially during spring and summer when we spend a lot of time outdoors, it's nice to have a clean seating area because it does collect a lot of dust otherwise. So I just use the jet spray setting of my hose and clean everything thoroughly. It usually dries within a couple of hours, and for these two circular swings that I have, I would make sure to dry it with some type of a cloth so that the water doesn't damage the wood. You can also add some type of lanterns. I have a variety of those in my patio, and in the front of your house, make sure to put a pot which has a beautiful plant with flowers in it. This one I got from Home Depot. It looks like rose, but it isn't, but it's so pretty, and everybody who comes to my house cannot stop talking about it. Also, I have a wind chime which has our god Ganesha on it because I am Hindu person by religion. And in the backyard I have this beautiful wind chime with a bird, and it just is so soothing. Whenever there's a little wind, it starts ringing and it's very pleasant. And this is how my patio looks like in the yard space, and I have all these brush cherries around my fence, and these two flamingos are so pretty and make the statement piece for that corner of my backyard. And this bench my husband built, and right over here we have these four chairs with a patio umbrella, and this is so serene. This patio and my backyard is the favorite part of my house, and whenever I just want to relax and unwind, I just sit there, and I can't wait to do it every single day during spring and summer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It gives me the motivation to keep making these videos and share my life experiences and learnings with you all. Also, I would love to know your comments. What is your favorite gardening tip, and what are some ways that you like to decorate your patio? Take care. Bye.